People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. I don't know as usual. Anyone who become myself, welcome to Lion for TV. You know your support is highly appreciated. And I wish you all nothing but love, prosperity, guidance, protection and blessings. How you see me? I wish you all a festive season. Hope you had a good Christmas, good Boxing Day, and looking forward to the new year. You see me? I say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. When you click the bell, please make sure you don't get the whole of the update and every time I post a content. See? I don't know, as usual, your support is highly appreciated. Yeah, man. So in this vlog, you know, my viewers and subscribers, we have some update and breaking news. Update is that Jahshii was not charged nor detained, coming from a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And also Shaggy meets the Pope and perform in the Vatican City in Jamaica, and Beenieman allegedly arrested in Ghana for breaking COVID-19 protocols, and when he should be quarantined, he wasn't. So I don't know the routine after the break. But I ain't scared no more, no more. I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You don't know, no one cares. That's my single just released on the 21st of December. You know what I mean? I already gathered over 1,000 streams on Spotify, so you can go check it out. See? Yes, man. And it's about people who have been a victim of abuse, any form of abuse. See, I can't relate to the song, but I did the song so for people out there who can relate, who are quiet and afraid to come out and speak. You know, because it's not everybody want to come out and speak of their ordeal and trauma. As I say, but at the end of the day, them can listen to the song and say, yeah. As I say, yeah, man, give thanks for the support. Or you can go over to my realrasimaric page and listen to the song. Is it? So first we'll kick it off with Beenieman, you know, nationwide news. Yes, and this is coming from the nationwide news. Is what I say? Yeah, man. So and then on the nationwide website, it's saying Ghana media is say dancehall icon Beenieman has been detained by national security in the African country for allegedly flouting COVID-19 protocols. Reports in the Ghanaian media are that DJ tested positive for COVID-19 on arrival in Ghana last week and placed in quarantine. However, the veteran entertainer allegedly flouted those measures and conducted several interviews and performed at the Stoneboys BHM concert with several other acts. It's also reported that Beenieman provided a fake vaccination certificate when detained by the police while trying to leave Ghana. Efforts to contact Beenieman's management team have been unsuccessful. So basically, on arrival in Ghana, he was tested positive for the CV-19. He was placed in quarantine. He broke the rules, you know what I mean, still went out to interviews and all those stuff, press conference and the big stage show with Stoneboy. So on his arrest, he presented a fake COVID-19 test, maybe by someone else who done it, and this is all alleged as what's stated in the nationwide news. As I say, my viewers and subscribers, so when you can let me know what you think in the comment section, you know what I mean. And the same in Jamaica, same everywhere. If you break the rules, you're gonna pay the consequences, no matter how big you are, big a celebrity you are, or football star, or whatever. Once you break the rules, if you just look out for bear the consequences. You see what I say? And also on Facebook, someone made a comment and said, boy, a brand PMP along with Beenieman. So on the Facebook page, I see it on Facebook as well. And then I say, yo, see it now, this person is saying, see it now, when you left Jamaica and bring on a dirty attitude anywhere you go. I saw the ETV Ghana make sure Wanna give him the full extent of the law. Fling the old book at him. Everywhere wanna go. Wanna carry on a dirty PMP attitude we do know. You see me? So you see that person I say, yo, fling the book at Beenieman, not ease up. Go hard upon him because he break the rules, him out of order. See, I shall also say PMP, you know. Anyway, on a PMP go on bring on a PMP attitude we do know. So that person clearly state who he or she is. This is a JLP. I'm gonna say, yo, born politics. PMP not JLP. There's people out there who scared and not run the risk. There's say people who have been vaccinated, who hasn't. So when them see things like this, I must say, yo, them take things for granted. Can't blame the person for your statement. But when them go say PMP and JLP, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's kind of bringing politics in it. You see what I say? So viewers and subscribers, I don't know, can let me know what you think about that. You see what I say? Yes, man. So moving on next is Jahshii. Jahshii was not charged, you know what I mean? And you know, I did cover the story as well. I say, me hearsay. You never say in charge. I said me hearsay. So now we have the update. We can give you a quick update on it. You know what I mean? Yes, and this is coming. Jahshii was not arrested for a charge under the DRMA, Disaster Risk Management Act. Since the dancehall artist Jahshii has not been charged or arrested, contrary to our previous report that he was taken into custody, along with the scores of party goers in the Clarendon on Friday night. So even dancehall maga say, yo, even them stated, so them are correct now, so he wasn't. On Saturday, a senior personnel within the Jamaica Constabulary Force has told dancehall mag that the artist was not detained. However, the Corporate Communication Unit, the information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed that the keep-up singer had not been arrested or charged. He was never among the 32 people who detained by us. He has not been charged with breaches under the Disaster Risk Management Act or for profanity. He wasn't arrested, so none of those things apply. A representative of the Corporate Communication told Dancehall Mag. The representative of the Jamaica Constabulary Force has told Dancehall Mag that he was not charged, he was not arrested, he wasn't detained, he wasn't charged for the Disaster Risk Management Act, neither for the profanity, the bad words and when cuss. Remember me tell you say, him can get charged, you know what I mean, if it was a big, well proper stage show. So I say, so that's the confirmation that Jahshii was not charged, he was not detained, you know what I mean, under no circumstances. So 32 people have been arrested though, so you don't know. Wicked pandemic, you're going to hear some of them are going to get some hefty fines. You see what I say? Yes, man. So, last but not least, now my viewers and subscribers. You see it? Shaggy. If you give it up to Shaggy. You see? Shaggy has been, you know, Shaggy is a man king in his own rights. You see what I say? The man that set history, the man that break record, the man that do a lot for the poor Buster man at the hospital. You see it? Yeah, man, so Shaggy, I saw this in the dancehall mag also, I'm going to say, yo, that's a great good news, you know. But you know people have got mixed feelings. Because I remember recently, lately, a lady come out and said him giving to the Vatican. You know what I say? So Shaggy meet Pope Francis, performs at Vatican City on Christmas concert. See it? Yes, man, so this is saying in the dancehall mag. Dancehall megastar Shaggy made history yet again, taking Jamaica culture to the Vatican City for Christmas Eve, where he was the only solo act from the Western Hemisphere to headline the 29th edition of the Christmas Concert 21. So Shaggy is the only solo act from the Western Hemisphere to perform. You see what I say? And the headliner on the 29th edition. In addition to being a headline act, Shaggy also met the head of the Catholic Church, Pope Francis. And ahead of his performance, perhaps the first dancehall reggae act to do so. First dancehall reggae act to do so to meet the Pope Francis. As Jamaican artists have always been vitriolic against the Vatican ever since the late Lee Scratch Perry labeled it the city of iniquity in his 6-minute long song Baffin Smoke Signals back in 1978. So, you know what I say, yo, Lee Scratch Perry, R.I.P. Lee Scratch Perry, you know what I mean, used to burn out the Pope and say, yo, and the city of iniquity, you know, so I don't know if man used to burn fire upon the Pope and the Vatican still. You see what I say? So Shaggy is the first from the hemisphere. So I say, yeah man. So Shaggy set record again. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. That was just a quick update. You see what I say? Better it's never too late. You see what I say? Yes man, if you're not early, at least you turn up. You see me, better late than sorry. You see what I say? So let me know what you think in the comment section with Beenieman breaking the COVID-19 protocols when he should have quarantined. Let me know if you think he was wrong and also providing a fake COVID-19 test certificate. You see me say, so it look pretty upon him. I don't know the doctor that still them can go easy upon him still. You see me, but we don't know. You see me I say? And also Shaggy meeting the Pope Francis. You see me, the first Jamaican from, you know what I mean? Yes man. And also Jahshii was not charged. So Jahshii, big up yourself, brother, and keep doing great music and enjoy your life and keep your head and your eyes open and be careful who you have around you. Positive people around you, keep them. So I say, negative one, stay away from them. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, all of love and respect. You know, I like to do another vlog. I'll be doing it boss now, brag. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Then when you click the bell, you get that update and alert when I post a new content. I don't know, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. Enough nights we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you be shot and close.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.